Assalamu alaikum. So today we are eating instant noodles, man. No, in China here, instant noodles are a thing, man. Yeah, everybody eats instant noodles, Yeah, because noodles is their main dish, so they eat it every time. So they have this. This one is actually a Muslim brand. It's called Lanjo Neuro Mian. It's produced by a famous Muslim restaurant, Lanjo Lamian. So it's halal, Yeah. So let's get to it, And we use chopsticks to eat, man. Unlike our country where we use spoons and then our hands. Yeah, and it tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, so that is instant noodles for you, man. It only takes, I don't know, 10 minutes or 15 minutes to prepare because it came with the ingredients, so you just put hot water there and then it's available to eat, and it's not expensive. You can have it in supermarkets, but then for the halal ones, it's not easy to find. So I had to order it online, and then today I'm trying it for the first time.